Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Emmanuel Tutorials. Today we'll be seeing a sum related to signals and systems. Till now we have seen how to sketch signals from equations. In this question or in this problem which we are solving, we'll be seeing how to represent a particular signal which is given in the form of standard signals like unit step, unit ramp and so on. This question was asked as a doubt by one of the students. If you also have any doubts, you can mention them in the comment section of any of our videos, or if it's an image or some other file, you can send it to edututorials252@gmail.com and let me know in the comment section that you have sent it so that I can go through the mail. Okay, so let's start. The sum or the signal that's given is this. X of t is this kind of a signal, and you'll have to represent it in the form of any of the standard signals. Now here, whenever you are given any signal, you should try to imagine that you're placing any of the standard signals inside this signal. If you see the standard signals that we have, unit ramp, unit impulse, unit step, and exponential is also used, or triangular signal, you can see that none of them, only unit step can be seen as a whole overall on this signal. So mainly here we'll be using unit step, because if you try to fill this diagram with unit steps, I'll just draw it here. Now you know what is the unit step signal, right? So it is something like this. It starts from 0, ends like extends to infinity, and it has amplitude 1. This is the unit step. Now suppose you want to represent this signal in the terms of unit step. Let's try to draw it. So let's take this section. This section will be having amplitude 1. It's anyway starting from 0, so it's like a unit step signal. Now after this we will denote it by dots. Then again here you can see that it's a unit step which is negative with amplitude -2, and which is again extending to infinity from 3. And then again we have a unit step at 3. So let's write it down. You just take this above, and then this unit step, it is extending from 3 to infinity. So here you can see that there are 3 unit steps but with different amplitudes and different positions. So now we'll try to represent it in the form of equation. So x of t is equal to, now the first portion we have divided into 3 portions. The first portion is the usual unit step signal. So can we write it as u of t, right? So from 0 to 2 it is u of t, the usual unit step signal. Now at 2 you can see that the amplitude is becoming -2. So in order to make this -2, you'll have to subtract it from the original unit step signal with greater amplitude, because then only you will get a negative value. So 1 is the standard unit step signal's amplitude. 1 minus 3 will give us -2 amplitude. So what we'll do is u of t minus 3 times u of t. And also it's not only u of t, it is a delayed version of u of t, right? So and it's starting from 2, so it will be u of t minus 2. So u of t minus 3 times u of t minus 2. This is for the second portion. Now third portion. At the third portion, again you see there is a rise in the amplitude of the signal. Now the amplitude is 2. Now to make it 2, what we'll have to do is add it to a unit step signal with greater amplitude. Now what will be that value? Now we have minus 2. Minus 2 plus what will make it plus 2? It will be minus 2 plus 4 will make it plus 2, right? So it will be plus 4. Now again, this is not exactly u of t, it's a shifted version of u of t. By how much? And is it a delay or advance? It's a delay. It is shifted to the right, so it's a delay. And by how much? It is by 3. So it is 4 u of t minus 3. So this is the equation that is expected. Also, you can see after this there are no changes in the amplitude. It's just extending to infinity, so you don't need to change the equation for those parts of the signal. So you can write it as u of t minus 3 times u of t minus 2 plus 4 u of t minus 3. Hope you understood the way we have solved the question. If you have any doubts related to this or any concepts or questions on which you would like videos to be made, you can mention them in the comments of this video or any other video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials for more. Thank you.
Subscribe to Emmanuel Tutorials and press the bell icon for notifications.